Hello everyone, it's Beth, and today I'm going to walk through how you can invoice on your project and how invoicing generally works in our system. So let's dive in. To send an invoice in Materio, you're going to go to the project that you would like to send an invoice for. You're going to navigate over to the Finances tab on the left and then to Billing on the top. To send an invoice, I'm going to click the black button here that says New and select Invoice. I'm going to come here and first add items to my invoice by clicking Items and then Project Scope. Now I'm actually going to use the filters that we have here to filter down by items that are selected. So in this case, I have some products that are approved by my clients, and before I place the order, I want to make sure that I'm collecting payment on those so that I can comfortably order the products. So I'm going to select these items that have been approved, and then I'm going to hit Next. And what this is going to do is allow me to collect any percentage or the full amount of these products. For this case, I'm actually just going to collect 50% so that I feel confident placing the order. Now I'm going to add these to the invoice. Now I can separately go ahead and select my due date for this invoice, and then I might want to title it something that makes sense. This might be, FF&E payment, or this might be your electrical deposit or payment. This might be final install. You guys know the drill. So we're going to name this so that it's easy to find in case we have questions or in case our client wants to better understand what this invoice is for. Now, I'll talk about this in a lot of the billing videos, but as you know, if you're integrated with Stripe, you can get paid right through Materio, and this little box down here will show up with your payment options. You can turn these off and on, as well as choose if you want the client to cover the fee or if you want to cover the fee. So in this case, I'm going to leave those on. I'm going to allow my client to cover the fee, and then on this project, I also have my design fee as a project level setting, so I've got that on right here. I'm going to keep that on. It's optional, and then I'm going to hit Send. All right, so I have sent that over. If I have QuickBooks Online connected, I will get this QuickBooks column right here, and that will automatically sync that invoice over to QuickBooks. Now, when my client pays me, whether it's I apply a payment or it comes through Stripe, that will also sync over to QuickBooks Online as a payment, so that's all automated. For the sake of this, I will apply the payment manually, so I'm going to click this invoice, and then I'm going to click Apply Payment, and we'll just say New Payment Received. Let's say that this was actually via ACH, separate from Materio, and I wanted to put in some reference numbers here or memos, and then also optionally send a payment confirmation over to my client. So I'm going to save that payment and applied. And notice that that is marked as paid. And then over here on my invoicing progress, I can also see that the total scope invoiced has changed. This is going to be a great overview for your clients to see where they're at in the project, how much is estimated versus how much has already been invoiced and paid for. That's how you invoice in Materio. It is really straightforward. We have an itemized invoicing system that allows you to pull your scope of work, pull your hours, pull expenses directly onto an invoice and get paid for them so easily. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at hello@materio.co or chat us from the app. Have a great day.